Change location in TikTok Shop. Today we are going to learn how to change location in TikTok Shop. So let's get started. Number 1. Use a VPN, virtual private network. To change your location virtually by connecting a VPN server in a different country, you can appear as if you are browsing from the location. Keep in mind that using a VPN might be against TikTok's terms of service, so proceed with caution. Number 2. Update your account settings. Some apps or websites allow you to change your location settings manually in your account settings. Check if TikTok has an option in its settings menu. However, it is uncommon for social media platforms like TikTok to offer these features. Number 3. Explore trending and recommended content. TikTok's algorithm often shows trending and recommended content based on your location and interest. By exploring different types of content, you might come across products or shops that are popular in the location. Number 4. Follow creators from other regions. Consider following creators or influencers from other regions. They might showcase products from their local area, giving you insight into what is available in different locations. Number 5. Browse external platforms. If you are specifically interested in products from a certain location, you might have better luck browsing external platforms or websites that cater to that region's market. Number 6. Contact TikTok Support. If you are unable to find a satisfactory solution, consider reaching out to TikTok Support for assistance. They might be able to provide further guidance or insight into location-based features within the TikTok Shop. That's how you can change your location in TikTok Shop.